Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to drain Midea portable air conditioner in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you just have to turn off your air conditioner and then you just have to unplug it from the power. This is important for safety purposes before handling any kind of water or opening the drainage. Now after doing so, you just have to simply locate the drain. So you need to go to the back or lower rear side of the unit. There you will see the drainage hole which will be covered with a cap or rubber plug. So some of the models also have a secondary upper drain port, but the bottom one is mainly used for the full drainage. So you need to simply place the container under it before opening. Just carefully remove the drain plug. Water will start flowing out. So you need to let it drain completely into that container. Once it is done, simply close the plug tightly to prevent the leaks. This is going to clear the internal tank. Now, if you are in a humid area, you can consider attaching a drain hose to the lower port. This allows continuous drainage and it also reduces the need for manual draining. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.